I'm Elaine, I live in Dulwich. I've got 2 boys and 5 grandchildren. We'd had a long-standing problem with our shower, but it was really when the shower started leaking. So we had a plumber in. Plumber said, I think it might be your boiler. We decided to do something about it. The 2 things that were important to me were speed and cost. I went online. Nobody else apart from Boxt could meet that deadline. Nobody could do it tomorrow. And this was by far the cheapest. The website was really, really easy to use. I am a person that cannot fill out forms. Everybody laughs at me. There was no jargon, it was easy. They did what they said. It came in the morning, as they said. The equipment arrived on time with all the parts so that the plumber could get on with his job, and it was seamless. The values that are important to me are honesty, integrity and trust. Over the years, companies have so disappointed me, and so to find somewhere that exceeded my expectations is such a great feeling. I suppose I would say to anyone that was considering Boxt, I was suspicious at the beginning. It does seem like an offer that's too good to be true, but I think they were absolutely brilliant.